At some point, you might find yourself wondering if your vehicle's air conditioning is blowing as cold as it should be, or if something is causing it to blow warmer than normal. It's probably worth checking out. Let's set some expectations first. Your car's air conditioning system does not immediately blow cold. It needs a chance to evacuate the hot air from its system before you fully feel the effects of it doing its job. Just like how a car needs to warm up for a few minutes in the winter before heat blows into the cabin. This takes a bit of patience. But you're probably wondering how cold the air coming out of the vents should be once the system is up and running. The thing is, there isn't a single definite answer. Generally, the air that your vehicle's AC is blowing out of the vents tends to be around 30 to 40 degrees colder than the ambient or outside air temperature. So if it's 100 degrees Fahrenheit outside, expect the cold air to be around 60 degrees. This is just a generalization, but a perfectly functioning AC system should be in this range. So if your AC isn't that cold, or you've noticed that it's blowing warmer than it used to, you're probably wondering why. The air conditioning system is designed so that it has to lose 30 to 40% of its refrigerant contents before you feel the effects of a leak. A vehicle's air conditioning is a closed system, so it's usually a leak that causes the loss of refrigerant and subsequent warm air. In fact, your AC system may have been losing refrigerant for some time before you even noticed. Luckily, replenishing lost refrigerant is easy with AC Pro. If your vehicle's air conditioning isn't getting as cold as it used to, check out our full line of recharge kits, refills, gauges, and accessories to help your vehicle's AC blow the cold air you want it to. Thanks for recharging with AC Pro, and be sure to check out all of our products at acprocold.com.